Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will continue modeling the teapot. As mentioned in the previous tutorials, this third part will cover some great important tips of modeling, but topology improvement and fixing some shading issues and some pinching and stretching issues maybe later on some future videos after this third part. So let's jump into it. So let's try to see if we have some topology issues. I think now just select everything, then Shift M to recalculate to normals outside. Hit M to merge by distance. We have no problem. We have no duplicated vertices as shown here. So hover your mouse cursor over the lid and the cover of this teapot. Hit L to just select it. I think it's so bigger. So let's scale it just a tiny bit like this. Then grab it along the z-axis. This will be fine. Hover your mouse cursor over the body of the teapot. Hit L. Just hide it. So let's deal with this modeling. Deal with this cover, and I'm going to model and to add some thickness to this cover like this. So let's select it. Let's try to add some thickness like this. Or you can also separate by selection. Let's separate this part in order to have no problems later. So let's hit L to hide the teapot body. Also tap to edit mode in order to just model with this cover. Let's add some important loop cuts, or I think let's add let's give it some thickness like this. I think this will be so good. Let's back to object mode, then apply the solidify modifier. We need to add another subdivision surface modifier for this teapot, for this cover. Just make it, increase it to second level. Then shade smooth. Also, let me take just a look to this. So let's add some loop cuts. Ctrl R, and bring it a tiny bit, just close to this. You can disable the subdivision surface modifier because may prevent or may make some shading issues. Ctrl R to add another loop cut. Also do it for this part. Shouldn't identical these two edges. Ctrl R to add another loop cut. Also let's do it for this part. Ctrl R also over there. I think it's so good with a nice topology. Hold down Alt and hit H. Then go back to work with the body. So let's enable the subdivision surface modifier like this. Also, we need to add more topology and make it accurate and good for this part. So let's hide the body. How to edit more like this, then let's zoom in tiny bit. So let's try to see if we have a good topology. Hold down the Alt and the Shift key. Just I'm gonna to bring it out, or to grab it out just like this. Let's scale it out a tiny bit. Alt H in order to hide the teapot body. Just let's scale it a tiny bit. Grab it along this axis. I think it's good with no shading issues and no topology issues. So let me show you. Switch to this matcap. To have created this great shape. Great shape for the teapot as shown here. I think it's good. So let's go back to switch to edit mode. Hit L to select this lid. Also Shift N to recalculate normals. And to merge by distance. By distance, we have no duplicated vertices as shown here. Let's select the body of the teapot. Tap to edit mode. Let's hide this. Let's separate it by selection. See you in the next tutorials. I will show you some results of rendering this teapot. Thanks for watching.